Hello, my name is Jaime Granillo, Graphics Product Manager, and welcome to Understanding the Technical Documents Market training module. This module is the second part of the Understanding the Wide Format Market training heard earlier. Here are the objectives. We will explain the market segment, then what is the technical documents market, and why the wide format printer is ideal for this market. In the wide format training module, we had identified the opportunity we have in the aqueous market and how we can target existing customers as well as new VEU customers. We had broken down the aqueous market into two segments, which are the production creative market and the technical documents market. In this presentation, we will discuss the technical documents market. The technical document inkjet system in this market uses the same print technology as the production units that had been discussed earlier. This market caters to architecture firms, engineering firms, construction companies, and more. Let's do a quick review of the technology. Inkjet is the process where ink is transferred onto a substrate by nozzles that eject fine drops of liquid ink at a high speed under the control of a computer. The technology used for a wide format printer is the same technology as a home office desktop inkjet printer. Technical document inkjet printers are aqueous units that use dye-based ink. They do not require high-end output, and the prints produced have a short-term use. The printhead technology used is thermal inkjet, which is used by HP and Canon. Now you may be asking, why would a wide format printer be needed in this type of market? Well, there are different documents that can be produced with these types of printers that are needed in the technical documents market. They may need to produce items like blueprints, survey maps, facility maps, construction maps, perspective drawings, 3D renderings, aerial photography, or maybe posters for a presentation. These are just a few examples of what can be produced. Let's do a quick history before we start. Diazo copying used to be the dominant technology in the technical document market known as blueprinting. Because the Diazo paper had a blue background, after developing, the term blueprint was used. Diazo paper was expensive, smelled bad, and was light sensitive when handled, with a short shelf life. The equipment was used to make copies only. You could not print from a Diazo machine. The process to make copies was very labor intensive, and the Diazo machine required heat, light, and ammonia to develop the sheets. Very few cities today even allow Diazo machines due to the ammonia use. Today, the most commonly used systems for technical documents are wide format laser printers and wide format inkjet printers. This market is also known as the CAD market, which means computer-aided design. The medias used in the market are not universal. Inkjet printers require specifically treated medias. Laser printers can use uncoated bonds that are less expensive. Now let's discuss these two different systems. A wide format laser printer is an oversized copier that can print off a roll. Its major use is to produce blueprints. The largest roll width that can be used is 36 inches. A laser printer runs faster than an inkjet, but are more expensive. The printing process is dry toner being fused onto the media via a drum. The most commonly seen laser printers in the market today are OSE, KIP, Xerox, and Ricoh units. Laser units in this industry are sometimes referred to as xerographic units, which means to copy. The rolls supplied for these machines can run 500 feet to 650 feet long and are known as engineering bond rolls in the market. Wide format laser color printers have just been introduced into the market, but are still more expensive than inkjet printers. OSI has introduced their ColorWave 600 printer, and KIP has introduced the KIP Color 80 printer. Wide format inkjet printers are very popular in the CAD market for designing purposes, offering low-cost print capability and a larger selection of medias. These inkjet systems use dye-based inks and have a low investment compared to a laser system. This gives them an added service to provide. Now, these inkjet systems do not produce the same output quality as production inkjet printers, but that quality is not needed in this market. An inkjet printer is slower than a laser printer, but gives a more detailed output. The most commonly seen wide format inkjet printers in this market are Canon, which have been listed, and HP with the 6 systems they offer, which have been listed. The rolls supplied for these machines run 150 feet to 300 feet long and are known as plotter bond rolls in the market. The technical documents market consists of computer-aided designers, architects, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and others. More is demanded today in the technical documents market. File sizes have grown, images are more complex, and more output is needed in detailed color. Wide format inkjet printers fill these needs. Some of the applications that are used in this market are maps, line drawings, blueprints, 3D renderings, and more, where laser printers traditionally only offered black and white prints. Technical document inkjet printers can also be found in other markets such as medical, education, hospitality, and others, creating applications such as presentation graphics, printing drawings, charts, illustrations, and bulletins, or creating information graphics, printing directories, instructional posters, maps, floor plans, or signs. And last, there is event and retail advertising, printing signs, displays, and graphics. You can break down the technical documents market into 2 segments of customers that can be targeted. The first group being the technical market, where you can find reprographic companies, engineering firms, architects, manufacturing, and others. The second group would be the general market, where you would find VEU customers like medical offices, real estate offices, hospitality, legal firms, and others. When visiting these customers, just ask the question if they have a wide format printer on their floor printing large documents. Let them know Kelly offers a wide variety of aqueous water-based medias in stock. There are plenty of opportunities in the aqueous wide format market in both the technical documents market and the production creative market. Both markets touch on a wide variety of customers, not only our existing customers, but also the VEU customer. There are other wide format training modules available to better understand the wide format product line. You can review Understanding the Wide Format Market or Understanding Wide Format Media and Supplies.